Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love we only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I've nothing at her and then you don't rebel. All of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate a love you know less to me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. But then I guess all roads lead to Rome. A full front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, but then we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like the crazy people just escape.
But I literally can't get into this book. I got to page 54, like literally barely anything, but I just can't do it. I'm so bored. I have so much motivation. Really good book, like a book that's going to motivate me to keep on reading. Also, something that I really don't like is that there's no chapters in this book. Like, it's Littlewood is all I needed to hear. Fresh, witty, and utterly romantic.
Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet. The way you attract these small disasters like a magnet. And I don't know if you are from outer space, but I can tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race. Because I knew when we hit and crashed, my crazy love circus was here at last. This is romantic in a very funny way. I know our kind of love is the one made to stay, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is a boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we crazy people just escaped from alone. The way that you talk, the way that you move, you make fun of me while I make fun of you. But we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love. Oh, oh, a different kind of love. Oh, a different kind of love. A different kind of love. I really enjoy a different kind of love.